कैमन आचो एवरीबडी, यू आर वॉचिंग बाइकिंग जय। काफ़ी जन जो मुझसे साइकिलिंग से रिलेटेड नहीं है, मेरे रिलेटिव्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे कॉलीग्स, वो लोग मुझे बहुत बार पूछते रहते हैं कि साइकिलिंग करके एग्जैक्टली क्या मिलता है। You just have to pedal along and you just have to go and go. What is the main thing that you achieve by cycling? So it is always very hard to put this in words. You not only get fit, cycling does not only improve your lifestyle, but I have earned a lot through cycling. Well, due to cycling मैंने बहुत सारे friends बनाए। I am very proud to say that मैंने बहुत सारे friends कमाए हैं, and some of these friends are associated with various kind of organizations, and one of them is Project Life Force. Project Life Force से मेरे दो बहुत ही करीबी साइकिलिंग फ्रेंड्स बोल सकते हैं, मेरे बड़े भैया बोल सकते हैं, जो एसोसिएटेड है। पहले तो मैं अगर बात करूं तो वो है प्रणब भैया, मिस्टर प्रणब बेदी, एंड दूसरे मिस्टर प्रतीक जैन, प्रतीक भैया। अगर आप कोलकाता में साइकिलिंग ग्रुप से एसोसिएटेड हैं तो 110% आप जानते होंगे प्रतीक भैया कौन है। एंड आई वॉज वेरी लकी इनफ टू do my first century ride with these two guys, Mr. Pranab Bedi and Mr. Pratik Jain. Well, these two guys are associated with Project Life Force. I have opened www.projectlifeforce.org. I am giving a brief description about what is Project Life Force. Project Life Force was formed in summer 2013, keeping in view the acute shortage of blood in West Bengal. The idea was to bridge the gap in the short term while having a youth-oriented plan to completely overcome the shortage by the year 2020. Team PLF soon realized that the primary reason for not donating blood was that the majority didn't know of this shortage. The discovery gave birth to a new adopted model: awareness, donation and distribution. I have been very lucky enough to be associated with people and basically the youth who understand this thing of shortage of blood all across our city of Kolkata. And in the current pandemic situation, it is very likely to have shortage of blood because all the camps have been cancelled, and there is a very huge shortage of blood all across the city in various hospitals. Through my YouTube channel, I really wanted to talk about this to my viewers. One of my fellow cyclist YouTubers, Achishman Parya, channel is The Bucket List. I'll be leaving his YouTube link in the description box below. And he made a video about awareness of blood donation and nominated me to make a video about this and take a pledge. The pledge goes like this: I, Jay Vadera, pledge to donate blood every 3 months to give the gift of life to someone in need. As the lockdown is on, so is the blood crisis. I am looking to make a red buddy, one of who will donate blood as well as make another red buddy. Will you come forward to be my red buddy and be the change? At this point of time, when the whole world is fighting the pandemic and every day we are losing so many lives because of this crisis, let us all pledge today that we will not let any family lose its member due to non-availability of blood. Our healthcare team and security forces are being corona warriors. Let us also be a superhero and give someone the gift of life. Register on the under mentioned link in the description box below and be my red buddy. I will be also leaving Pratik Bhaiya's phone number, contact number, and that number can be contacted only in the case of need of emergency of blood. That is it for this video, and hope there are more and more people coming forward and fighting with us, being our red buddies in this pandemic, and come forward, donate blood, because कभी किसी की रगों में दौड़ के देखो, अच्छा लगेगा. Thank you for making a part of your day. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care. Come forward, donate blood, stay home, stay safe, and see you on the ride after the pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye.